$935 billion. That's how much in revenue mobile apps are expected to generate within the next 2 years. Hey, in the next few minutes, you'll see how Appimize can create you stunning mobile apps in just a few clicks without any coding skills, time commitment, or extra costs. Say goodbye to expensive design and developers costs and welcome to the world's best leading mobile app building platform that creates you perfect, engaging mobile apps in just 3 easy steps without any tech skills. Simply enter your app name, pick a template with over 100 beautiful templates to choose from, add your text, and customize to your brand or client's needs. Click create and your app is done, ready to go viral. The best part? Appimize is all inclusive. Everything is under one easy to use dashboard. You don't need anything else. Let's face it, everybody uses a smartphone nowadays. Wherever you go out, you see people glued to their mobiles. There's no doubt that apps are the present and future, and most people prefer using mobile apps than websites due to faster speeds, better user experience, more features, and ease of use. On top of that, 3.2 billion people use smartphones across the world, and according to Forbes, $50 billion was spent on mobile apps this year alone. Now imagine you could get a slice of that with your own custom mobile apps by leveraging the Appimize software to do all the hard work for you. Now this is the biggest opportunity to grow your online business to levels you would have never thought possible. Now you probably don't have the time, budget, or resources to create mobile apps, right? I mean, hiring a software developer costs you tens of thousands of dollars, and it's almost impossible doing it manually as it requires you to have coding skills with a PhD in computer science. But not anymore though, because now you can choose the fast, easy, and affordable option without any hassles or monthly fees. Introducing Appimize. When you log into Appimize, you can choose from 100 stunning done for you customizable templates in the hottest niches such as gyms, restaurants, coffee shops, salons, digital marketing agencies, and much more. It doesn't matter what niche or business you're in, we have a template suited to what you need. So you can create fully responsive mobile apps to sell to either clients online or to local businesses for top dollar, and you get to keep 100% of the profits. You can see right here, if you go to places like Upwork, people are charging anywhere between $849 to $1,680 for creating one single mobile app alone. Pretty crazy, huh? Now imagine you used Appimize to create custom mobile apps in just a matter of mere minutes. There's no doubt that you would be raking in huge paydays like clockwork. Honestly, the possibilities and earning potential here is literally crazy. Especially in this current pandemic we're living in, there's millions of struggling businesses who are in need of mobile apps in order to reach, communicate, and engage better with more customers. Customize and build your app to your needs using our intuitive live app editor. The point and click technology makes it so easy and fast to create jaw-dropping apps like a pro. Easily add text, buttons, images, audios, videos, opt-in forms, booking systems, timers, and other powerful features with just a few clicks. Forget about using other softwares that are complicated to learn. With Appimize, there's no learning curve because it's super simple to use. If you can check your email, then you can create stunning mobile apps that skyrocket your engagement, leads, and sales. Crush your competition and be light years ahead of them. Whether it's selling products, services, or building a fan base, Appimize's unlimited flexibility has you covered in all ways. It doesn't matter what niche you're in. If you're not utilizing mobile apps yet in your business, then your chances of succeeding is very slim. You can achieve all your marketing goals with Appimize. Whether you're a video marketer, affiliate marketer, freelancer, content producer, agency, e-com marketer, or you're just starting out, Appimize covers all your needs. You'll become part of the unstoppable trend that keeps growing. Reach up to 90% open rates from your audience with push notifications. Even after they close the app, you can mass broadcast content or promotional text messages to all your app users with just a click. Schedule multiple push notification messages on specific dates and times. Keep users engaged by automatically sending them updates, new products, and even promotional messages to make more money. You can fully monetize your app and maximize profits. Our e-commerce integration allows you to sell products and start making sales right inside your app. Add image galleries, products, add to cart, checkout, payment gateways, and everything you need to get started. What's even better, you can automate your business using the appointment booking feature, perfect for when you're creating an app for a restaurant or salon. And this is just scratching the surface to how phenomenal, powerful, and versatile Appimize really is. Once you're done watching this video, you can watch the demo video below to see how I'm able to create a mobile app in under 2 minutes flat. Yes, that's right, I'm not even kidding, just 2 minutes. Trust me, it's going to blow you away when you see the endless possibilities of what you can do with this revolutionary platform. And let me be clear here, there is no app building software that can do everything we do on one easy to use platform. Appimize blows everything else right out of the water. Other app builders are limited on features, difficult to use, outdated, and charge you ridiculous monthly fees. And they don't even do half of what Appimize does for you. Plus, you have to go through a long process of getting your apps approved onto the app stores. However, Appimize's smart PWA technology bypasses the app approval process and allows you to instantly share your app with everyone without any restrictions or limits. On top of all that, Appimize will host the mobile apps for you at no extra cost. Other softwares charge you monthly fees just to host one app alone. Now with Appimize, you can create and host up to 100 apps on our servers or your own custom domain at no additional cost. It's entirely up to you. With that being said, the opportunity to get in on Appimize is very limited and time sensitive. For this grand launch opening today, you can get in for just a small one-time payment. However, I've got to warn you, once the launch ends, the price will skyrocket up and become a monthly subscription. Due to the limited bandwidth and server space taken up, we can only allow a handful of people in on this one-time special discounted price. And just for taking action today, as a limited time launch bonus, you get the commercial rights license to be able to sell to clients online or offline to local businesses and keep 100% of the profits. So take advantage of all this while you still can. Appimize's special launch discount will be ending shortly. Click the buy now button below this video to get instant access before the price shoots up and becomes a monthly subscription. Now, unlike other companies, we pride ourselves in high customer satisfaction with our 24/7 customer support desk on standby for you. We'll always be around to help you so you succeed with this. We're 100% confident that you'll crush it with Appimize, which is why you're completely protected by our 30-day 100% no questions asked money back guarantee. So you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Now, unlike so many things right now, this opportunity comes with zero risk, and one single client will significantly cover your low one-time investment today by tenfold. So check out the rest of the details on this page below, then go ahead and click the buy now button below to get instant access to Appimize before the price goes up. Start creating some amazing mobile apps to skyrocket your leads, engagement and sales starting today. I'll see you on the inside in just a few short moments.